Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming model and OS because reset options differ across phones. Once done, back up anything critical since secure folder resets can remove data. Make sure you know the device passcode or have biometric access ready. This speeds recovery. Now open Settings and navigate directly to the secure folder entry. Do not wander through menus. Tap the secure folder to reveal management options and prepare to select Reset or Unlock, depending on the menu you see. You authenticate first because the phone confirms you before changing lock settings. Choose lock type or reset secure folder and then provide the device PIN or biometric. This step verifies ownership. If you choose reset, the system will warn about deleted contents. Read that message and confirm only if you have a backup. Once you accept, the phone completes the reset sequence automatically. Make sure not to interrupt power or reboot mid-process to avoid corruption. You finish by setting a new lock type and re-enabling biometrics so access is quick and secure. Choose a memorable but strong PIN or pattern. Next, restore apps and files from your cloud or local backup to rebuild the folder. Make sure app logins are ready. If the reset failed or secure folder won't initialize, boot into safe mode to retry. And as a last resort, consider a full factory restore, only after exhausting targeted fixes, because that erases everything.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.